all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are into day 3 of the African series in Masai Mara after a long time. If you haven't seen the previous episodes of the African series, you can click on the link above and enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit on the bell notifications. Excited after our second day in Mara, we started early the next day and were greeted with amazing sunrise and cloud formations. As we headed in search of animals and crossed the nearby airfield, we could see some giraffes standing nearby. Soon, the driver positioned our cars at a strategic position such that the giraffes were right in front of the rising sun and we could photograph their silhouettes against the orange sky. What a beautiful start of the day to greet ourselves with the golden light. Soon, we headed to another part of the jungle in search of leopards. We were told that the leopards are the most difficult to spot in the Mara, as mostly they rest on top of trees and come down only for hunting. And even if they come down, the tall grass makes it all the more difficult to spot them. After some hard luck spotting, we finally saw a leopard atop a tree and were lucky enough to get a few decent snaps. The leopard was kind enough to also come down and do a catwalk for all of us. And even at one point, come straight towards our car and give us an angry glance. also spotted a leopard cub nearby, which was all the more gorgeous than the mother.
After a bit, we drove off to a nearby location and caught up with our quick breakfast, packed by our hotel staff, amidst some pack of African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats grazing in the open field. Turning this into an opportunity, we took lots of pictures of this gorgeous beauty and thought to ourselves that its streaks of black and white look amazing.
Soon, another driver messaged that they had spotted a cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, and we were on our toes to catch up the day with some thrilling action. Ironically, the cheetah was in no mood for action. Instead, was relaxing atop an anthill in the open grassland. What a majestic view of this magnificent creature. He was least bothered by our presence and he continued relaxing, giving different poses. It seems he had already had his share of meal for the day and was in no mood to come down. Soon, more and more cars started arriving at the scene, and we decided it was time to call it a day and headed to our resort for a delicious lunch.
We relaxed a bit and again drove back to the same location where we spotted the leopard cub and were happy to find it playing among the tall grass. Thanks to the zoom lens, we were able to get some good snaps of the cub playing. Again we must say, what a day filled with suspense and ending with yet another African sunset which never fails to captivate everyone with its amazing colors. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos in the coming days.